671.
7 goes.
KLM 671, our system is still showing you a Summit at time 1526. If that doesn't change, I will have to give you a dog leg.
I copy that, KL 671, we're working on it.
Thank you.
KLM 671.
671 goes.
Okay, it's only 390 available as an alternative on track Charlie. 37 and 38 are both available on track Delta. Advise your preference.
KLM 671, we understand, but I think I will file a report about this. This is not going the way our clearance is, and I also think this is not the way you cleared the other aircraft.
KLM 671, okay, we can speak about this afterwards, but I do need to assure separation at the moment, sir. I need 4 minutes at least behind the North Shuttle, which there isn't going to be at the moment, so we need to find an alternative. So advise your preference for an alternative, please.
I think North Shuttle will be accepted the clearance at 1522 at Synod. You have 4 minutes with us, almost 5, so...
KLM 671, it looks on my system like he's going to cross at 23. I'm not discussing this any further, sir. Advise your preference for an alternative. I can offer you 390 on Charlie or 370 or 380 on Delta.
We'll take 390 KLM 671.
Understood. Call you back.
KLM 671, Shamrock re-clears you for the ocean crossing, flight level 390, balance remains unchanged and restriction is lifted.
Copy that, cleared to flight level, oceanic clearance to flight level 390, KLM 671.
And KLM 671, you can report ready for the level change.